We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a comprehensive and unbiased overview of the Pooqla LED Marquee letter light sign, specifically the light-up alphabet letter for home party wedding decoration in the letter L. If you own this product, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. The Pooqla LED Marquee letter lights are designed to add a stylish and personalized touch to any space or event. The product is part of a series that includes the full alphabet, allowing users to spell out names, phrases, or messages to suit any occasion, whether it be a wedding, party, home decor, or even a dorm room setup. Each letter is crafted from durable plastic and features a warm white LED light source, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere wherever it is placed. The Marquee letter measures approximately 8.86 inches tall, 1.77 inches thick, and is lightweight at just 7.2 ounces, making it highly portable and easy to handle. It operates on 2 AA batteries, which are not included, and does not require a power outlet, offering flexibility in placement and reducing clutter from cords. The design incorporates a keyhole slot on the back, enabling the letter to be hung on walls, mantles, or doors with minimal effort. Alternatively, it can be placed on shelves, reception tables, or dressers, depending on your decorative needs. The finish is smooth plastic, and the warm white light is both bright and gentle, ensuring it stands out without being harsh or overpowering. The build quality has been consistently praised by users, with many noting that the product arrives well packaged and in excellent condition. The LED lights themselves have a long lifespan and are designed to remain cool to the touch, even after extended use, which is a significant safety feature, especially in homes with children or pets. Performance-wise, the Pooqla LED Marquee letter lights excel in versatility and ease of use. Users have highlighted how simple it is to insert batteries and switch the unit on or off. The battery-powered design means there is no need to worry about finding an available outlet, making it ideal for events where access to power may be limited, or where a clean, wire-free appearance is preferred. The product's portability is further enhanced by its lightweight construction, allowing for effortless repositioning or transport between events and rooms. The light output is strong enough to be visible in both daylight and dimmer evening settings, making the letters suitable for a wide range of environments. In terms of usability, the letters are highly adaptable. They can be combined to spell out custom messages such as "I love you," "home," "marry me," or initials and names, offering a personalized touch that resonates with many users. The letters are often used as centerpieces at events, as part of photo backdrops, or simply as a decorative accent in bedrooms, living rooms, or offices. The ability to hang the letters or stand them on flat surfaces adds to their functionality. However, some users have noted that certain letters, particularly those with a narrow base like the letter L, may be top-heavy and prone to tipping over when not secured or supported. This is a minor drawback that may require creative placement or the use of adhesive strips to ensure stability if standing the letter upright is important for your display. The overall impression from users is overwhelmingly positive. The product boasts a high customer rating, with thousands of reviews averaging 4.7 out of 5 stars. Customers frequently mention the attractive appearance, quality construction, and the warm, inviting glow of the LEDs. The lights are described as being bright enough to stand out but not so intense as to cause discomfort or glare. The size is considered ideal for both small and large spaces, and the lightweight design makes it easy to move and reposition as needed. Many users appreciate the affordability of the product, noting that it offers excellent value for the price and is an accessible way to add a touch of fun and style to any event or room. The Pooqla LED Marquee letter lights are especially popular for parties and celebrations. Users report using them to spell out names, initials, or celebratory messages at birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, and other gatherings. The lights are also a favorite for decorating children's rooms, with parents noting how the warm white glow creates a comforting ambience for bedtime. College students have found the lights to be a charming addition to dorm rooms, allowing them to personalize their space and make it feel more like home. The product's ability to function as both a decorative item and a subtle nightlight adds to its appeal. Despite the many positives, there are a few areas where users have expressed some dissatisfaction. The most common complaint is related to the stability of certain letters when standing upright, particularly those with a narrow or uneven base. While the hanging option provides a solution, those who prefer to display the letters on flat surfaces may need to take extra precautions to prevent tipping. Additionally, the need for 2 AA batteries per letter can add up if multiple letters are used, and some users have suggested that rechargeable battery options or a plug-in alternative would be a welcome improvement. However, the battery-powered design is also seen as a benefit by many, as it eliminates the need for unsightly cords and allows for greater flexibility in placement. Another minor issue noted by a small number of users is the plastic construction, which, while durable and lightweight, may not have the premium feel of metal or wood alternatives. However, the majority of users find the build quality to be more than adequate for the price point, and the plastic finish is easy to clean and maintain. The LED lights are securely housed within the letter, and there are no exposed wires or components, contributing to the overall safety and reliability of the product. The installation process is straightforward, requiring only the insertion of batteries and, if desired, mounting on a wall using the keyhole slot. No tools are required, and the letters can be hung or placed within minutes of unboxing. The packaging is designed to protect the product during shipping, and users consistently report receiving their letters in perfect condition. The instructions included are clear and concise, ensuring that even those with little experience in home decor or event planning can achieve professional-looking results. In summary, the Pooqla LED marquee letter lights offer an affordable, stylish, and versatile solution for anyone looking to add a personalized touch to their home, event, or workspace. The product's strengths lie in its attractive design, warm and inviting lighting, ease of use, and adaptability to a wide range of settings and occasions. The ability to spell out custom messages makes it a popular choice for celebrations and special events, while the lightweight, battery-powered construction ensures convenience and portability. While there are some minor drawbacks related to stability and the ongoing need for batteries, these are outweighed by the product's many advantages and the overwhelmingly positive feedback from users. If you are seeking a decorative lighting solution that combines style, functionality, and personalization, the Pooqla LED marquee letter lights are a highly recommended option. The product's popularity and high customer ratings speak to its quality and appeal, and it is well suited to both everyday use and special occasions. Remember to check the product link in the description to learn more or make a purchase. And if you have experience with this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed choice.